You're watching this video because you sell jewelry on Etsy, or maybe you want to sell jewelry or rings on Etsy, and you're just not sure which products to actually list in your Etsy shop next. In this video training, we're going to go in deep, and I'm going to show you exactly which jewelry and which rings you should actually be listing in your Etsy shop based on validated data. We're going to actually go into the data and figure out which are the best products to list in your shop so you can maximize your revenue and save you all the heartache and the time and the hoping and the praying of actually making a listing and just throwing it up there and seeing if it sells. We're going to skip all of that. We're only going to list products and study products that are actually, proven to sell. So you can focus on those things. So if you're interested in this training, continue watching. I'm going to jump in and share my screen, and we're going to just go ahead and go. Okay, so here we are sharing screen, and we're going to go ahead and type in jewelry. What we're going to do is I'm just typing jewel and just kind of starting the word, right? As you see, Jewe. And what we're going to do is let Etsy kind of carry the weight. They're going to tell us what people are actually searching for in order of relevance and search volume. So as you see, when we type in this, saying jewelry pop up first, that means most people are actually typing in jewelry. The next most people they're typing in jewelry box, and then jewelry making, jewelry organizer, and so on, right? These are ranked in order of relevance and search volume. Etsy is now telling us, hey, there's a lot of people actually typing in jewelry. There's a lot of people typing in jewelry box and jewelry making, right? So what we're going to do is, for the sake of this training, we're talking about jewelry, right? So we're going to just go ahead and type in jewelry, and we're going to figure out what is the best jewelry to actually make in our jewelry shop. So we don't have to guess and just assume that whatever we make is going to sell. We actually want to use data to tell us what to sell. So here we are, typing in jewelry. We see all the listings that pop up for this keyword. And again, we already know that people are searching for this word. Now it's a matter of which jewelry are they actually buying. So we're scrolling through. I'm just going to make sure that, if I'm a jewelry maker, I can make some of these items. That's kind of like the prerequisite number one, right? Can I make these things, or do I have the resources to make these things? Okay, so the answer is yes in this case. So now what we're going to do is now figure out which products are actually selling in this search term, jewelry. So I'm going to go over to analytics, click on analytics. Awesome. So here we are in the data, right? So again, we're just going to go ahead and sort by estimated monthly revenue here. And we're going to figure out the best products, the highest revenue products that sell for this keyword jewelry, right? So there's 64 listings that pop up on this first page here, right? Now EverBee is telling us the top listings for this keyword, right, based on revenue. So as you see, some of these are ads, so they're paying to actually be on this page. But I'm just going to look at this one, right? This is $5,000, $5,500 a month in revenue, right, US dollars, and it looks like it's a jewelry box for women. So I'll check it out. I like the price point, $65.99, it's almost $66. It's got a bunch of favorites in this listing. Total sales, it's got a lot of total sales, and 84 sales per month on average, and $5,500 a month in revenue. The shop is doing well, right? It's got almost 6,000 sales for its shop. It's made in Los Angeles, California, and it's a nice jewelry box. Okay, here are all the tags they used. And the biggest thing that I'm looking at here is revenue and can I make it, and also the listing age. All right, so this is a key point here. If it's a fairly new listing, then I'm going to be less apt to trust that this is going to be a long-term sustainable product, for my Etsy shop. If it's brand new, like if it's 1 month, then I'd be a little bit, hesitant to go and make this item, just because EverBee doesn't have a ton of data to go off of. Almost 6 months, 5 months. Yeah, it's probably a decent product. So I'll go ahead and look at this one. And the biggest thing I'm looking at here is one price point. So it looks like they are on sale here. And look at the reviews. Review number here, 169 reviews on this product. For me, this is a validated product. Okay, if it had like 1 review or 2 reviews or 5 reviews, I'd be a little less apt to just trust that this product is actually going to do well in my shop also. But to me, 169 reviews, I'm showing that people are buying this item. All right, there's no question. Like, this is one of the top sellers. Like, they have 729 reviews for their shop in total, right? But 169 of them came from this listing alone. This listing. So for me, if I'm going to make jewelry box, if I can make something like this, then this is something that I'm certainly going to be modeling after. Let's look at the listing specifically. So one thing I'm looking at here is I really love the presentation. I think they did a great job of presenting this item. It looks very, very high quality to me, showing the features, showing the benefits. Beautiful. Perfect. Awesome. Again, more features, more benefits, showing that, okay, yeah, so now we're showing dimensions, some of the items here. Perfect. Yeah. I mean, overall, there's a reason why this listing is successful. And this is the point of this video, is to show you that one, people are searching for this item. Two, people are they want a jewelry box. And three, that they want to be sold. Like they need to be educated around this product and, sold into this item. That's what this listing does here. They show the features, they show the benefits, they show the dimensions, they show the items that are included. They have a fair price, and they have credibility and trust, and a successful listing that I would model, my jewelry box after. So now let's keep going to more jewelry. Let's try to get out of jewelry box and more so look for necklaces and things like that. So this one here, Caitlin Minimalist, very popular shop, as we all know. We can look at this one. So $4,800 a month in revenue. It's 10 months old, this listing. Very high quality image. You can kind of tell, a little bit dark, but maybe that's more of their style. And they're very successful shops. They could probably get away with stuff like this. Here are their tags they're using. Right? We're literally can look at all the tags that this listing is, right? It's done for us. EverBee shows us this. Cool. So let's go ahead and open this one up. Look. Okay. So the biggest thing that I'm looking at here is the image. I'm looking at the price. It's on sale a little bit, so it looks like it's 25% off. Look at the reviews. Total reviews for this item is 5,500 reviews on this one item. Now, do you think this listing is actually a good listing? Do you think that this product is a product that people actually want to buy? I mean, you tell me, right? 5,000 reviews on this one item. This is a validated product. No matter which way you cut it, like this product has been around for 10 months. We know this. And 5,000 reviews, over 5,000 reviews on this one item. Like you don't see this very often. They're crushing it. Okay. They're doing so many things right. Yes, we know that Minimalist is a big shop name. It's a big brand at this point. It's got 1.4 million sales right on the shop. So it definitely has the trust and credibility that a lot of other sellers don't have quite yet. So that's something to consider, but you don't need to compete with them. All we're looking for is a product that actually sells. People that actually are searching for the product, they're actually buying the product. So we could put our spin on it. We could put our images on it. We could put our kind of branding on it. And we could have our version of that success. So that's the biggest thing that we're taking away here. What I would take away also is just the way they laid out their images. A lot of them are very, very high quality, very simple, simplistic design. Minimalist design is kind of what they're going for here. Yeah, but overall, not like a crazy impressive listing. I think they just kind of cover some of the basics. They have a lot of trust and credibility, of course, for their shop, and a fair price point, it seems like. And overall, yeah, a lot of reviews that go along with that. So for me, if I'm a jewelry maker, I'm making things like this. I'm modeling after this. Then it comes down to, it's not a question of if people are searching for it. We know that they're searching for it. It's not a question of if people are buying it. We know people are buying it. We have proof. Now it's a matter of, okay, how do we get them to buy from us? Right? And then it goes into like the conversion and the marketing stuff behind that. But what if you can just solve like the first two steps, right? Of people are searching for them. Okay, they're buying this thing. And people are actually buying it. It's validated. Okay, people are buying this specific product. So now it's just getting them, the third step is getting them to buy from me. Okay, so let's keep going here. That's definitely a product that I would be launching. I'd probably be launching this one too. I'm staying away from the ads, although you can look at the ads, certainly. It's just, I'm looking at products that are actually showing up on this main first page. Okay, so same shop. Let's get out of that shop. So they're showing up multiple times in the first page. Caitlin Minimalist. Let's keep going here. Okay, so it looks like an opal star necklace. Okay, so check out the listing age, 3 years. It's been around 3 years and 6 months. It's a super, super long listing. You don't see that often. I think it's awesome. That means if it's been around that long, it's probably been pretty successful. Here are all the tags they're using. It's bringing in $3,000 a month in monthly revenue. Let's check it out. Okay, so pretty necklace. You can kind of tell that it's like a high quality close-up image. It's good. I think they do a good job of kind of showing the item. Okay, there are two different options here. Okay, size chart, packaging option. Yeah, I mean, certainly like they could do a lot of things better here, but overall, like not a bad listing, right? It's obviously it's working for them, so they're just kind of running with it. But there's opportunities for, if you were to try to sell something very similar to this, then you would want to optimize the listing, make the listing even better, right? Put a video in here, put like more mock-ups, more people, like lifestyle images, be able to showcase those and kind of separate yourself in those ways. Check out the reviews, right? 15, almost 1,600 reviews. Let's check it out. So 3.5 years, 1,500 reviews for this one item, bunch of favorites, 81 sales per month, $3,000 in monthly revenue. Here are all the tags. Like, let me ask you this. Can you, if you make jewelry, which I know you probably do, or you want to because you're watching this video, can you make something like this? If we just told you what people are searching for, they're searching for jewelry. And if we just told you that people are buying this specific necklace, can you go and make this? And I believe the answer would be yes. Right? Now it's just a matter of getting them to buy from you. Right? And that's where just the listing strategy comes in, where it's like you create a better listing, you make sure you do your keyword research, but EverBee shows you the tags that you can use, that they're using. It shows you the title that they're using. So make it your own, of course. You know, be creative with your listing, be creative with your jewelry too. But really, you know, all the answers to the test are basically here. Now it's just a matter of execution. Let's look at another thing. Let's go into, I get this one occasionally. Let's look at like ring. I'm kind of doing the same thing. I'm just typing in ring. I'm looking up like ring box, rings for women, rings for men, right? So I'm going to look up just rings for women, more long tail keyword. Yeah, so lower price point. I'm just looking at prices just all the way down. Lower price point. So naturally the revenue is probably going to be a little lower, but let's check it out and see what we see. Here we have the data here, right? We're going to sort by monthly revenue again, because we're mostly interested in the data and actually which items are being purchased and what items people are actually interested in buying. Okay, so you sorted by revenue. Obviously, you see a bunch of ads here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are the top ads. But check this one out. All right, $5,400 in monthly revenue. And its listing's been around for about 4 months. Here are the tags. Yeah, we could look at this one. 4 months is probably enough data. I guess you can just kind of figure out what you kind of like. But I think 4 months is enough to prove that this item's been around. Okay, so yeah, what I'm seeing here is they're on sale. Fine, 40% off. Cool. Check out the reviews. 268 reviews for this one item in 4 months. We know the listing age is 4 months. EverBee just showed us that. And they've had 268 reviews in 4 months. This is awesome to see. Right? This item is selling and it's showing here, right? $5,000 in monthly revenue, 100 monthly sales. And again, this is, if I make rings, I'm making something like this, no question. I think they did a good job of showcasing the product. I mean, check out the video. Yep. So they have done a good job of just like showcasing the product, showcasing some of the features of it, different angles. I think, okay, the packaging here. So you're seeing like this common theme, right? You're seeing the product, you're seeing a video, you're seeing a couple other angles of, you know, somebody actually wearing it. You're showing the product by itself, and then we're showing the packaging of the product, right? This is like a common theme that we've seen multiple times just in this video alone. So just go and model this, right? Just do high quality images, do the same thing, but it needs to start with a product that people are searching for and that people are actually buying. This is the major piece that so many people miss. Okay, we just did this. We just did it for you in the video, right? So we know that people are actually buying this item. Next, go make the item and then basically model the listing after these listings, okay? And you're gonna have some of the success that we're seeing here. There's no reason why you wouldn't. Just execute. Okay, so let's keep going here. That's an item I'm for sure making. I'm gonna stay with the ads because I'm not interested in doing the ads right now. And check this one out. $4,900 in revenue. Listing's been around for 7 months. This is a good listing I'm interested in looking at. Let's just take a look. Okay, so let's check out the data here. Okay, so it's 7 months old and we've got 306 reviews for this item in 7 months. Like, no question, this is selling. Okay, again, $4,000 in monthly revenue. Again, same thing. They're showcasing the item up close. They're doing a video, a couple different angles. I mean, personally, I feel like they could do so much better with these images too. Like, there's a huge opportunity if you were to make make this type of product, you could do so much better with this image. Like for me, if I'm being critical, what are we looking at here? Like this is not a good quality image. Like you get this big old website across it. It just looks very unprofessional. Again, the image, I understand the watermark, but it just doesn't look good. I feel like I don't even like the background. It looks like it's maybe on a carpet or some sort of rug. There's a huge opportunity just to capitalize on this. EverBee just showed you, okay, they're actually purchasing this item. People are buying this item. 306 reviews, okay? 90 sales per month on average. So go make a product like this and then go do better on the listing. Execute on the listing, showcase the product in a better way, and you're going to get, your success. Again, I guess if you're getting value to this video, it's obviously been, we're quite some time into the training, but if you could like it, subscribe it, comment down below, like maybe your shop link, or if you'd like a shop review, that would help us, helps the channel, helps the algorithm, helps us kind of provide more value to our members and to Etsy sellers. So if you could do that, it'd be awesome. But yeah, let's keep going. Let's do one more. I'm making this item, by the way, or something like it. Let's look at birth flower ring, $3,000 in monthly revenue. You see kind of the common theme that we're seeing. We're seeing like we're getting high revenue items, right? $3,000 a month, $4,000 a month, $6,000 a month, $5,000 a month, right? Those are just like 5 listings that we went over today. If you just launch 5 listings, add up all the revenue, that's like $30,000, right? We probably went over just today in monthly revenue. Now, is that not an incentive to go and execute right now? If it's not, I don't know what is, because we just showed you in the training, what people are actually buying. That is the value. Now just go and execute on the listing. I know I've said that so many times, but I'm just trying to hammer it into your guys' brain that you can do this, right? The data is there. The information is there. The products are there. You just need to take it across the goal line and actually execute on it. Again, this one is 11 months old, so it's been around. Pretty simple jewelry. Look at the reviews on this. Oh my goodness. It's been around for 11 months and it's got 1,800 total reviews. You guys, if this doesn't excite you, then I don't know what does. Like, it's been around for less than a year. It's got 1,800 reviews. It's bringing in $3,000 a month on average monthly revenue. Again, it's the same non-rocket science listing. It looks nice, like a very nice listing, but it is not rocket science. Like, you can't tell me that you can't do this. It's as easy as it gets. Okay. Like, we show you the tags, we show you the titles they're using. This is where it's at. So anyway, that pretty much wraps up the training for today, guys. I just wanted to show you, because I get members all the time asking us how to sell jewelry online, how to sell rings online, how to sell on Etsy, which ones are people buying. And I just wanted to prove that it is absolutely possible, and the information is there for you, and the resources are here for you. And yeah, so sign up for EverBee today. It's absolutely free to join. Excited to have the opportunity to share this information with you guys, because every time we do, like, we get tons of people that say like how much it helps them. It makes us feel good. So that's kind of what we're going after. Yeah. So if you'd like more training, continue to watch our videos. We do this stuff for free, and sign up for EverBee for free too. Yeah. I'll talk to you guys soon. See ya. Again, EverBee is the best product research tool there is. It's incredibly powerful for figuring out which products to sell on Etsy, which ones you shouldn't sell, which are going to be profitable, which aren't. And there is a free forever plan. So there's 0 credit card required, 0 risk. So sign up in the link in the description below. It's 100% free to join. And I look forward to seeing you guys there.